Do you understand a language when you hear it, but freeze when it's your turn to speak? You're not alone. Millions of learners face the "I understand but can't speak" problem. But guess what? It's not your fault. And today, I'll show you exactly how to fix it. Speak fluently, break the barrier. By the end of this video, you'll know why this happens and the 3-step method to finally speak with confidence. Let's dive in. Section 1. Why you understand but can't speak. The input versus output problem. Language learning has two sides. Input, listening, reading. Passive understanding. Output, speaking, writing. Active skill. Most learners only practice input, watching shows, reading books, but never train output. The 3 root causes. And lack of active practice. You don't speak enough. 2, fear of mistakes. Overthinking grammar, pronunciation. 3, no muscle memory. Your mouth isn't trained for the language. The good news, all 3 are fixable starting today. Section 2. The 3-step solution. Step 1. Shadowing. Train your mouth. Shadowing means repeating what you hear in real time. It builds muscle memory, so speaking feels natural. Pro tip: start with slow audio. Try easy languages on YouTube. Step 2. Speak from day 1, even if broken. Forget waiting until you're ready. Start now with self-talk. Describe your day aloud. Language partners, apps like Tandem, Hello Talk. Record yourself, listen and improve. Mistakes equals progress. Embrace them. Step 3. Think in the language. Stop translating. Train your brain to think directly in the language. Label objects in your house. Switch phone social media to the target language. Section 3. Bonus tips for fast fluency. Tip 1. Use chunking. Memorize phrases, not just words. Example: instead of book, can I borrow this book? Tip 2. Join a 30-day challenge. Tip 3. Mimic natives, like an actor. Host. Copy expressions, gestures, and intonation from movies or TV. Be dramatic. Now you know why you struggle to speak and how to fix it. Remember, 1 shedeur daily to train your mouth. 2. Speak from day 1. No perfection needed. 3. Think in the language to stop translating. Your challenge: speak for 5 minutes today.